Investing in apartments, so simple even your kids can do it. Number 1, start with the basics. Just understand the concept. Investing is like putting money into a piggy bank, and when you open it up, there's more money there later than what you originally put in it. 2, teach the benefits of investing in apartments. Passive income, for instance. It's like putting your money into a piggy bank, and each month that piggy bank gives you back dollars. Potential for growth. Imagine you buy a toy for $10, and then 5 years later, that toy is actually worth $30, even though you played with it the whole time. Emphasize the importance of research, like location matters. If you're gonna set up a lemonade stand, you wanna set it up somewhere where people walk by and where all those people have enough money to actually buy your lemonade. Same with buying apartments. Encourage your kids with long-term thinking, not short-term gratification. Think of giving them a marshmallow and saying, if you don't eat this marshmallow now, I'll give you 2 in 5 minutes. Finally, share real-life examples with your kids. Keep these concepts simple and teach our kids so that they go on and become apartment owners and real estate investors down the line.